Welcome back. Today, we're going to discuss the Crony Drive X. Drive X is designed for stores using CronySoft Data Entry Services. This module allows you to quickly upload documents that need to be processed by the CronySoft team. That's including daily books, purchase orders, invoices, bank statements, and more. To access this section, head over to Tools and click on Drive X, or just access it from the Smart Search. Or you can access it from the top right corner on the home page, right next to Get Started. Here, you'll see all uploading files along with upload date, file name, category, and current status. This allows you to track the progress of the file submitted for processing. To upload a file, click the Upload button on the top right corner. You can either drag and drop it or click to browse and upload manually. The supported files could be PDF, JPG, PNG, DOC, XLS, or CSV, and more. Once the file is uploaded, select the correct category, set the status to Do, and then click Save. After submission, a CronySoft specialist will pick up the file for processing. If you ever want to check the progress, simply return to the Drive X page and review the status column. For an even faster process, you can just simply drag and drop the files directly onto the CronySoft homepage. The system will automatically detect the upload for Drive X and then simply assign the category, set the status, and save it. This makes document submissions much faster and easier for daily operations. And that's it for the Drive X module. A simple and efficient way to submit documents directly to the CronySoft team for processing and data entry services. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the bell notification on so you can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next module.